Yeah, I'm trying to get it like a video. There's the sunset. There's the moon coming out. The moon coming out at the same time that the sun's going down. Huh? Wow, look at that, isn't that huge? Wow, I'll catch up with you. There's the ultimate sunset. Huh? There's the sun. I'm getting the moon and the sun in the same one.
There it goes, last bit.
Yep. There it goes. Got it. Oh! I'm out. There's Kiva. Got a little video you guys see. Show everybody how big you all are. There's Zeus. Ryan and the dogs.
Are you taking a video?
I'm making a video. Be up on YouTube. Worldwide. Here's Apollo. There he is. There's Neptune. There's the guy.
It's the best one.
There you go.
And here's the pretty girl.
Where's Kiva? There you are. Oh, we're all out going on a walk. There you go.
Don't get
There
my
they
yard.
go,
Really
into
bad.
the yard. There's Kiva. Say hi, Kiva. Hey, hey. Oh, guys.
Good picture.
Okay.
Is that an iPhone? Or?
This used to be Kathy's iPhone. It's not hooked up to a phone service.
Oh, it's like
I just use it for the camera and the video.
Yeah.
Because I'm too cheap to get an iPhone. God, I can't believe you're bigger than any of them.
It's pretty cool, man.
There they go. There they go. They come out of the woods. All right. You guys will be world famous.